In this video, we're going to show you how to swap out the factory halogen lights to the Meso Customs Ultimate LEDs. These will work for the 2007 up Toyota Tundras. Some vehicles will have two T20s here and two here. I'm going to remove those now. From here, the back's hooked in, so you want to grab the front. Pull hard, swing it down, and unplug. We're going to take it over to the bench and finish the installation. Now that the overhead console is removed from the vehicle, we're going to work on changing the lights out to the new Meso Customs Dual color. Taking a pick tool, we're going to work on these back two edges. This light is on a pivot. We're going to unclip those. One side, two side, and then slowly pull it out. Moving on to the passenger, do the same thing. One, two, pull it out. Now from here, we're going to want to remove the chrome reflectors. The reason why new LED lights protrude a little further back in there, so they make contact, and we want to get rid of that. We're not using a halogen reflector anymore. To do that, pull up on it. One. Two. And start with the new lights. Unboxing them. One side. The other side. So to get these in, we want to plug in the housing. We've already removed the halogen lights, but they just pull out. Now, this can be plugged in either way. It doesn't matter. We have a diode bridge in here, so there's no polarity is not specific. Once the bulb adapter is plugged in, you're going to tuck the front in, make sure all the wires go inside the cavity, and lock it in. Check function. This will turn the light on and off like factory. This will select the color. Going over to the other side, take the bulb adapter, plug it in, tuck it in, make sure the wires are in there, and the installation is done. All that's left is to reinstall it back into the vehicle. Now that the overhead console has been changed out with the new map lights, we're going to reinstall it in the truck. Plugging the connector back in, hooking that back side, and locking it into place. Take our two screws with a T20 bit. One, two. Now we'll test the lights. Click on, click off, swap colors, we're good to go.